In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Lists in just 5 minutes. Microsoft Lists is a powerful tool that helps you organize and manage your information. Whether you're keeping track of work tasks, creating an inventory, or even planning a wedding, Microsoft Lists can simplify your workflow. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Lists and hit Enter. Once the search results appear, click on the official Microsoft Lists link to head over to their main web page. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already a Microsoft 365 user, you might find that you're automatically signed in. Microsoft's seamless integration across its services can save you a step here. However, if you're not signed in, you'll need to manually enter your email address, followed by your password. Now, if you're trying to sign in but don't have an existing Microsoft 365 account, this is an excellent opportunity to create a new one. To do that, click on the option that says Create to get started with setting up your brand new account. Follow the prompts provided, entering your information as requested. Microsoft may ask for some identification details, like an email that you have access to, so make sure you have that handy. After setting up your account, make sure to verify your email address if required. This additional step sometimes helps in ensuring the security of your new account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Microsoft 365 interface, which includes Microsoft Lists. This is where the real magic begins. You'll notice various templates and an intuitive interface designed to help you manage lists efficiently. While we're focusing on getting you set up, diving into these features can add immense value to your productivity. Remember that practice will help you get more comfortable navigating the tool, so feel free to explore and play around with it after setup. Congratulations, you're all set up and ready to use Microsoft Lists. Now that you're logged into your account, you can begin creating customized lists tailored to your needs. This setup ensures you're poised to streamline your projects and organize your tasks like a pro. If you encounter any questions or issues, Microsoft's support page is an excellent resource for resolving common problems. Or, you can find numerous community forums offering tips and advice. By spending just a few minutes today, you've unlocked a tool that can significantly enhance how you organize information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find Microsoft Lists to be a valuable tool in your productivity arsenal.